Okay, so I got the camera now, and Karen gonna taste it, and she's gonna give me a nice, honest answer and feedback. How does it taste like?
It's really hot now.
How is it, Karen?
Looks delicious, huh? Let's try the potatoes, chicken,
Yeah,
and garlic.
yeah. How is the flavor? How is the sauce? How is the chicken? Is it cooked enough? Is there like, what's the taste and the salt and everything?
It's cooked enough. It's really cooked.
Okay.
And the flavor,
Like you can feel all the flavor, right?
all the flavor.
And it's like it's not like
amazing. And like when you eat everything together, like
okay.
the what's the name? Potato,
Yes, all
the
together.
garlic,
Yeah.
chicken, the sauce,
Yeah.
all together.
Yeah. Yeah, nice.
It's
Sounds
amazing.
nice.
Yeah.
And this is like a home food, you know, like
Yes.
if you go to the restaurants, you're not gonna get this sort of food.
This-
It's just
yeah,
gonna be
this flavor.
like something dry, but this is like so much flavor in there.
It's
Alright guys, this is our things and we're gonna enjoy now. This is
Yeah.
our end of the video. And see you, bye bye, and give us a
See ya.
feedback and subscribe our channel and
Yeah.
let us know what else you want to know for the next time. Thank you, bye bye, see ya.
See ya.